Hey everyone! Today, we're going to explore a tricky type of mistake called the straw man fallacy. Imagine if someone took your beautifully built model and swapped it with a clumsier, weaker version just to show how easily it could fall apart. That wouldn't be fair, right? Well, that's what happens in a straw man fallacy. Let's dive into an example. Say your school is discussing whether to ban cell phones in class. You argue, we shouldn't ban cell phones completely because they can be useful for educational apps. If someone responds by saying, my opponent thinks students should be allowed to play video games on their phones in class all the time, they're not being quite fair. They've changed your argument to something easier to attack. Here's another scenario. In a debate about reducing homework, you say, we should reduce homework to give students more time for other activities and family. If someone counters with, so you think students shouldn't learn anything at home and just forget about school? They're using a straw man. They're twisting your words to make their point seem stronger. Understanding straw man fallacies helps us stick to the real issues and argue more fairly. Always listen carefully and make sure you're responding to what someone actually said, not a weaker version of their argument. Keep questioning and thinking critically, and you'll become awesome at spotting these in any debate. Thanks for tuning in, and see you next time for more fun with arguments.